Positive reviews.
Oh, so happy. Very, very happy. Sa lahat ng magagandang reviews for Espantao, even the not so good ones, we welcome and we respect everybody's opinions. And it is what it is, diba? Ganun talaga. So, yung mapabilang ka sa 10 pelikula for the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival is a gift on its own. So we're happy to be here.
Ano po masasabi po ninyo na ingay niyo po sa social media na isa daw po kayo sa magiging best actress?
Best actress and best supporting daw. Miss Chandra and Miss Juday.
Palang panalo na kami.
Panalo na
yun.
Panalo.
Sabi kayo daw ang highlights sa Espantao.
So, grabe, again, sabihin na natin na cliche sabihin, di ba? Pero sa totoo, ang opinion ng mga moviegoers, it's very honest eh. That alone is an award on its own. So thank you. Nakakataba ng puso. Maraming salamat.
Miss Juday, manifestation for 2025.
Of course, I guess more good projects, more time with my kids, my husband, and we'll see. Kasi ayoko nagpaplano. Mas maganda yung mga surprise. Like Espantao is a big surprise for me for 2024. It wasn't part of the plan. So I guess parang ganun yung mangyayari. Ayoko na magplano and just go with my gut. Kasi ganun lang naman ang nangyayari dito sa Espantao. And it was a perfect project. I mean, hindi kami maraming cast, but it's a beautiful cast. I'm so proud of this project.
Miss Chandra, manifestation for 2025.
That it'll be the greatest year ever for everyone, for you and me and all the people who are close to your heart.